welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be making some gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free chocolate nests. Obviously I can't have shredded wheat, so I found an alternative for it and it tastes exactly the same and just as good. You will be needing the following equipment: a saucepan, one large mixing bowl, a spatula, a trivet or something to place your large mixing bowl on after you finish melting the chocolate, a tablespoon and a teaspoon, 6 cupcake cases, and a cupcake tray. You will also be needing the following ingredients: 300 grams of lactose-free milk chocolate, some water, 6 gluten-free Nutri Bix, and 6 lactose-free chocolate eggs. First things first, measure out and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use. And now it is time to prepare our tray. So for this we will be needing our cupcake cases and our cupcake tray. Okay, so now that we've got these, all we are going to do is grab 6. I'm just going to grab the first 6 that I find. You can get special Easter ones, but I thought that these were quite springy anyway, so I'm going to go with these. And that is it. So place these off to the side until we're ready to use it. So now that we've done all that, it is now time to actually start making our nests. So for this we are first going to need to melt our chocolate. So I've actually emptied the bowl of water into my saucepan, enough so that there is water in it and it won't boil dry after 2 seconds, i.e. there'll be no water left. But enough so that it doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. Again, the last few videos, I don't know why it's saying to do that so that it can't touch the bowl, but it's a known rule. So now I'm going to turn my hob on, set it to simmer, but if you have gentle simmer, that would be even better. Place all of my milk chocolate into my large mixing bowl. Got it all? Yeah. So now we are basically going to wait for this to start melting, stirring all the time with our spatula. See, this is why having the chocolate broken up into pieces is so much easier, because it melts quicker. I don't think it matters if you put it in whole, it just takes that little bit longer. So this is now looking about how I want it, so I'm now going to lift it off, being careful of the steam, placing it onto my trivet. Now I'm going to turn off my hob because I no longer need it and wait for that to finish shutting down. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to need my Nutri Bix. So now it's as simple as this. We're going to take our crushed Nutri Bix. It doesn't matter if you crush them into the bowl or if them pre-crushed. I just found it easier to do it earlier when I was getting everything ready. So tip all of that in. And then mix this around until they're well combined. So now, as much as I would be quite happy to just sit and eat that as it is, I'm now going to need my tablespoon, my teaspoon and my prepared cupcake tray. So now I'm just going to use my tablespoon and my teaspoon to evenly spread this mixture between my cupcake cases. So now that I've done that, I am going to, with my teaspoon, press down and pushing to the sides this mixture, pushing the mixture to the sides so that it creates a little bit of a hole, but there's not really a hole, but a hole in the mixture so that the chocolate eggs can sit in it and be like proper nests. So now that this is all done, I'm going to place these into my fridge until they have set. So now that these have completely finished setting, it is also time to grab our 6 lactose-free milk chocolate eggs that I have also made this week. And now you can get a bit picky with this, you could melt some chocolate and then stick these on, but I'm actually just going to place each of these on top of my cupcake cases. And there you have it. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe to these lovely nests, where you'll also be able to find all of the ingredients and equipment you will need for this recipe. If you do make these at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag bakingwithvickiie so that I can see all your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments below of anything else you'd like to see me make, gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!